let me say two things right off the bat. First thing is, this is a really cool device and it works well. The second thing is, it does not work well if you use it with Android phones. And by that, I mean Android phones have a limitation with Bluetooth. So before I show you what you get out of the box, let me tell you about that real quick. With an iPhone, you can connect your iPhone to this device and you can connect it to the car and you can listen to music from your phone out of your car speakers. With Android, however, you can connect via Bluetooth to this device and you can connect via Bluetooth to your car, and you can even control it using the controls on your car, but no audio will come out of the car. That is a limitation with Android. I want to get that out of the way first, in case you're in the same boat that I am, thinking that I would use this to be able to listen to music or podcasts, which you can, but the caveat is you have to use an auxiliary cable, or this has an FM transmitter and you can use that too. And if you do that, then obviously you give up the controls with your steering wheel if you have a car that has Bluetooth controls. If you don't have that on your car and you use an auxiliary cable anyway, then this thing is really, really nice. Let me show you what you get out of the box and how I set this up. I'm going to use this so I can use Android Auto in my car. So the car adapter or cable is USB-C, and then it has another slot so you can still plug in something else to charge another device. It also comes with an audio cable if you've got like an auxiliary jack on your car. Here is the display. You can see it is very wide. You've got the power button up here. On the back, you do have a camera and you can move this camera around to kind of get the angle you want. So that is your dash camera. On the bottom of the mount, there is an adhesive so this doesn't come off. So no suction or anything. You just have to clean the surface really well, then put this on. There's the TF card slot here. There's your auxiliary port if you want to use cable. If you want to insert a rear camera, you can do that here. And then here is where you'll put the power, the USB-C port. Whoa, that's exactly the car that I have. How convenient. So you got phone link, Bluetooth, DVR, playback, FM transmitter. That's really nice. So even on older cars, you can just do FM transmitter. Let's go ahead and do phone link. So it shows you your different options. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, Android Cast, Bluetooth music. This is really nice. Okay, we'll go to Android Auto. Yes, we want to do that. So I haven't gone to the Bluetooth screen, but it's showing up on my phone here as Bluetooth. So I'm going to go ahead and pair. It's got a pairing code. Sure, let's pair. Oh, and it connected. Welcome to Android Auto. Continue setup on your car screen. I will do that. Okay, continue. Ooh, nice. So it's got my podcasts already loaded, got the maps all ready to go, got the navigation on the side. Let's see, I can, that beep is beepy. That is so loud. Let's turn that down. How is that so loud? Switch over to dash cam mode real quick. Whoa. If I come here, I can see all the apps that are on my phone that I can use. Let's go to settings. So here are some settings specific to Android Auto. Start music automatically, that is off by default. I want to keep that off. Change layout if you want to. Driver seat location, I guess that's for all our friends in the UK. A lot of options for the dash cam. That's really nice. You can do time-lapse video, firmware version, factory reset. Let's go ahead and change the date and time to be more accurate. Well, so far I am really happy with this. Let's go install it in the car and see how well it works there. So you want to clean this off as best as you can. Now if I lay this like this, it doesn't match up quite perfectly, so I'm gonna go angle it a little bit more, and I think I can get it a little bit more flat. We'll try that out. Oh, there we go, it worked. Can I play? No audio. Come on. Okay, you make sync active. Still no audio? Where's the audio going? No audio for my car. It's playing. So the audio is playing. And it's connected to my car, and it's connected to Android Audio, but it doesn't play. This was sent to me so I could do this video review, and I've used it for several weeks. And yes, I did have to use an auxiliary cable to use it, and I was kind of bummed by that. And ultimately, I decided for that reason, I would rather just use my phone because I really like having the Bluetooth control. But a couple things I'll say about this: the display is really nice, the functionality is really nice, the navigation and controls, that all works really well, and the mount is incredible. In fact, it was very very difficult for me to get it off the dash of my car. So when you get this, make sure that you try it out in your car before you actually mount it on. Maybe have this on the seat next to you or something. And then when you're confident it works how you want it to, then go ahead and put this on, because this is not easy to get off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.